How to enable picture-in-picture on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable picture-in-picture on Android. Now go to your settings and just simply search for picture-in-picture. Now click on that. Now there are different lists of apps where you can enable picture-in-picture feature. Now for example, here on YouTube, it is allowed, so we're going to go on YouTube and try on that. Now let's play some video. And now if I'll exit this app, as you can see, our video is still playing, and then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.